Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. We had a new Chrome version, Chrome 148, that was released late yesterday, and it's still running out today. And of course, one of the interesting things about this is the enormous amounts of security flaws that are fixed, including three critical and a good number of high severity. So if you look at the Chrome blog post, there was no info when I posted the first version of my the Chrome 148, just talked about a few of the features. But look at this, 127 security fixes in there. And in there, there's three critical that are here. Integer overflow in Blink, use after free in mobile, use after free in chromoting. And then there's high severity ones, which are staggering once again. This is truly amazing. Makes it the third update that is incredibly high in number of fixes. So this is really important to update your Google Chrome browser to make sure that you stay safe, as this is pretty crazy. So they don't say anything that the critical ones might be already exploited in the wild, but to be critical means to be extremely important to fix and easy to exploit, and possibly already being exploited out there by bad guys, especially that now they know about it. So this is nuts. I don't know what changed in order for Chrome and Chromium to suddenly have so many security flaws reported. Like I said, they're giving more money to security researchers for the fixes. So maybe more security researchers are now searching for fixes for bugs and for critical flaws and flaws in general. So it's extremely important. You go to the upper right corner and your three vertical dots, you go into help and into about Google Chrome. Make sure that you're at 148.0.7778.9697, depending on the version of the operating system you're using, to fix this browser. And of course, that also means everyone using a Chromium browser, so anything except Firefox, you need to look this week for fixes for security that will be applied to your browser too, because a lot of, if not most of these flaws are in the Chromium browser, which is the base of all of these browsers. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.